Smart lighting has exploded into a multi-billion-dollar industry, and yet most people are still paying full price for technology that regularly drops to levels that make it almost impossible to say no. Right now, one of the most trusted names in smart home lighting has just hit a price point so low that even longtime skeptics are reconsidering their entire home setup. This is not a minor discount. This is a fundamental shift in what budget-friendly smart lighting actually means in 2024. In the next 10 minutes, you are going to find out exactly what the Philips Hue Essential Starter Kit deal involves, why it matters more than any other smart lighting sale this year, and what the price drop reveals about where the entire smart home industry is heading. And there is one detail buried inside this story that most tech outlets are completely glossing over, something that changes how you should think about buying smart lighting forever. Stay with us because we are getting into all of it. Philips Hue has been around since 2012, when parent company Signify, then still operating under the Philips brand, introduced the world to connected LED bulbs that could be controlled from a smartphone. The idea was simple but transformative. Instead of flipping a switch, you could set scenes, schedule lighting automatically, and adjust color temperature from anywhere in the world. The early kits were expensive, often running over $200 for a basic starter bundle, and that high price point kept smart lighting firmly in the territory of early adopters and tech enthusiasts with disposable income. Over the next decade, competition intensified dramatically. Companies like LifeX, Nanoleaf, Govee, and eventually even Amazon and Google launched their own smart bulb ecosystems. Prices across the board began falling. Philips Hue responded not by racing to the bottom, but by doubling down on quality, reliability, and ecosystem depth. They built a reputation for bulbs that last longer, connect more reliably, and integrate seamlessly with virtually every major smart home platform including Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. That reputation has a price tag attached to it, which is exactly why this new low pricing on the Essential Starter Kit is such a significant moment. The Philips Hue Essential line was designed specifically to address one criticism that followed the brand for years, that Hue products were simply too expensive for mainstream consumers. The Essential range strips away the full color spectrum capabilities of the more premium Hue lineup and instead focuses on what most people actually use on a daily basis: adjustable white light ranging from warm amber tones to cool daylight. No 16 million colors. No vibrant reds and blues for entertainment setups. Just clean, reliable, tunable white light delivered through Philips Hue's rock-solid infrastructure. The Essential Starter Kit typically includes two smart bulbs and the Hue Bridge, which is the small hub device that communicates with your bulbs using the Zigbee wireless protocol. The bridge is what gives Hue its legendary reliability advantage over Wi-Fi-only bulb systems. Because Zigbee creates a dedicated mesh network separate from your home Wi-Fi, your lights do not slow down your internet, they do not drop connection when your router gets congested, and they respond faster than almost any competing system on the market. Now, here is where the new low price becomes genuinely interesting. The Essential Starter Kit has recently dropped to a price that represents a significant percentage reduction from its standard retail point. Retailers including Amazon have been listing the kit at prices hovering around $30 to $40, depending on the specific configuration and timing of the sale. For a kit that includes the Hue Bridge, that is extraordinary value because the bridge alone typically retails for around $60 as a standalone purchase. But here is what nobody talks about when these smart lighting deals surface. The real value of a Hue starter kit is not the hardware you get on day one. It is the ecosystem you are buying into. Once you own the bridge, every single Philips Hue bulb you ever purchase connects to that same hub. You build your smart lighting system incrementally, room by room, bulb by bulb, and the investment compounds over time. Buying in at a low entry point does not just save you money today. It fundamentally reduces the total cost of ownership across potentially years of smart home upgrades. Think about that from a practical standpoint. A first-time Hue buyer who picks up the Essential Starter Kit at this new low price is not just getting two bulbs and a hub. They are getting a foundation. From that point forward, they can add Hue light strips, Hue outdoor fixtures, Hue gradient tubes, Hue smart switches, and motion sensors, all of which plug into the same app, the same automations, and the same scenes they have already configured. The ecosystem effect in smart home technology is real, and it is powerful, and getting in at a reduced price multiplies every future benefit. So who is this deal actually best suited for? First and most obviously, it is perfect for anyone who has been smart lighting curious but intimidated by the historically high entry cost. If a $200 commitment felt too steep to experiment with, a $30 to $40 starter kit removes virtually every financial barrier to trying the technology. Second, it is an excellent option for renters and apartment dwellers who want smart lighting without committing to expensive hardwired smart switches or permanent installations. Screw in the bulbs, connect the bridge, and you are running a legitimate smart home setup in under 15 minutes. Third, and this is a group that often gets overlooked in these conversations, it is genuinely compelling for people who already have a competing smart lighting system that has given them trouble. If your Wi-Fi bulbs from a generic brand keep dropping off your network, or your current app is slow and unreliable, the Hue ecosystem represents a meaningful upgrade path, and at this price, switching costs become much more palatable. Let us talk about the actual smart home integration picture because it is deeper than most casual buyers realize. The Hue Bridge supports Matter over Thread, the newest and most universally compatible smart home communication standard. This means that as the smart home industry continues to consolidate around Matter, Hue users are already positioned to benefit from that interoperability without needing to replace their hardware. That is a future-proofing argument that many cheaper alternatives simply cannot match right now. The Philips Hue app itself has matured considerably over the years. Features like Sunrise Wake Up, which gradually brightens your lights before your alarm goes off, have been shown in multiple sleep studies to improve morning alertness compared to jarring alarm sounds alone. The natural light feature automatically adjusts your bulb's color temperature throughout the day to mirror outdoor light conditions, which research suggests can positively affect circadian rhythm and productivity. These are not gimmicks layered on top of a lighting product. They are genuinely useful applications of the underlying technology. Here is a data point worth sitting with. According to Signify's own published data, Philips Hue LED bulbs are rated for approximately 25,000 hours of use. At an average of 8 hours of use per day, that translates to roughly 8.5 years of lifespan per bulb. When you calculate the per-hour cost of ownership even at full retail price, smart LED bulbs from Hue are among the most cost-efficient lighting solutions available over any extended time horizon. At the sale price, that efficiency ratio improves even further. The broader context here matters too. The smart home market is undergoing a consolidation phase. Smaller brands are disappearing. Proprietary ecosystems that were popular 3 years ago are shutting down servers and leaving users with hardware they can no longer control. Philips Hue and Signify have repeatedly demonstrated commitment to long-term software support and hardware backward compatibility. When you buy into Hue, you are not gambling on a startup. You are backing one of the most established and financially stable players in the consumer electronics space. The price drop on the Essential Starter Kit is likely a combination of strategic retail positioning, inventory management heading into the holiday shopping cycle, and competitive pressure from the broader smart home category. Whatever the reason, the timing is favorable for consumers, and there is no strong signal suggesting the discount will persist indefinitely. To summarize everything we have covered today, Philips Hue's Essential Starter Kit has hit a genuinely compelling new low price point. It includes the critical Hue Bridge, offers tunable white light performance, connects to every major smart home platform, supports Matter for future compatibility, and provides the foundation for a scalable, reliable smart home lighting ecosystem. For anyone who has been waiting for the right moment to try smart lighting, or to upgrade from a frustrating alternative, this price point is about as right as it gets. Before you go, if you learned something new today, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to TechPulse Daily for a new video every single day. We will see you in the next one.